Use the brush tool to draw on the background scene. Make sure to be creative and make it look good. The background must contain a road that begins at the bottom right of the stage and gradually disappears as it goes to the top left of the stage. Extend the layers to around frame 90 using F5 to add frames. Remember to name your layers correctly. Lock the background layers. Next, go to File, Import, Import to Library. Locate your car image and import it. Create a new layer and name it Car. Drag the car from the library and place it at the bottom right corner of the stage. Use the Free Transform tool to scale it and make it proportional to the road. Create a new keyframe using F6 on the car layer at frame 40. Create a new keyframe on the car layer around frame 90. Use the Free Transform tool to move your car to the very end of the road. Scale it down until you can barely see it anymore. Create a classic tween between the two keyframes. Preview your animation to make sure it's correct. Download the start and engine sounds. Import both of the start and engine sound files to the library. Create a new layer and name it Audio. Drag the audio file start from the library and drop it on the stage. Create a keyframe on the audio layer at frame 40. Create another keyframe on the audio layer at frame 45. Drag the audio file engine from the library and drop it onto the stage. Make sure the audio waveform appears in the audio layer. Do the same for the engine layer. Click once on any frame in your classic tween on the car layer. Inside the properties panel on the right, change the ease to around 75. Add regular frames, which is F5, to the end of only the background layers until they extend to about frame 120. View and listen to your animation. As the car drives off into the horizon, it should never appear as if it drives off the road. To export your project, go to File, Export, Export Movie, and make sure it's an SWF file. Then drag that file into Google Classroom.